The Manipur Police celebrated its 133rd Raising Day with parade display in full vigor and pomp at 1st MR Parade Ground. The program was graced by Agriculture Minister of Manipur T.H. Bishwajit as chief guest, along with other ministers, MPs, MLAs and senior officers of the Army, Assam Rifles, CRPF and BSF, SIB, and other sister agencies, editors, senior officers of the government of Manipur, representatives of print and electronic media, other eminent citizens. The function also showcased skills shown by Manipur Police Sports Club and bike show by Manipur Police, which mesmerized the invitees. As part of the celebration, those best police stations, best police officers and best battalions were honored. The function was followed by a voluntary blood donation at the 1st MR Banquet Hall, in which many police officers and personnel donated blood. Addressing the gathering, Minister T.H. Bishwajit expressed the role played by Manipur Police. He further said, due to active work and service by the Manipur Police personnel, people are staying calm and peace. There is no word to express what contributions have been given by the Manipur Police. He also praised achievers of best police stations and battalions.
And to protect the people. So whatever has happened, something during the maintaining of the all kind of the activities. So people I need to understand, and we need to understand. That's it. I don't need to say anymore. I told you I don't have any idea. That's it. In short, I can't say that. I'm not an expert on that. The expert will tell that was the real or not. No, in fact, see, the or nationally, the Prime Minister has, directed to all the state to have to, to destroy and to, completely, the free, drug-free, to make the drug-free state. So whatever we have been taken is to destroy the property only. That has been assisted by the police department mainly, and other community also.